How to make an order on the Iconic. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can make a order on the Iconic. I'm sure you all know that the Iconic is a website where you can get easy, beautiful product easily online. Alright, so the first step is to sign in, of course, create an account. After you've created an account, the next thing is to browse the site and then add your desired items to your shopping bag. Okay, now at the top part of the screen, that is by the top right side, you will see a shopping bag, right? Yes. So before you can get products, you have to add them to that shopping bag. So now let's navigate through and then get a product. Okay, I will getting beauty. All right, so after selecting the category of the products you want, just click on it and wait for the page to load. Okay, and then you can now check through to see the one you want. So after selecting a product, you will have to after selecting a category, you also have to navigate you have to select the exact category in the category you selected. For example, I selected beauty as a category and then I selected fragrance. Alright, which brings me to this page where there are different fragrances. Now on this page you can also limit or filter your search by moving to the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen you can see different kind of filter. You can see per gender, okay? Do you want the one for male or female, that is for women or men, and then you can also see the other ones for age group, sales, etc. All right, or if you don't want to use gender, you can just leave it the way it is and then select any of this. Okay, so once you can see this, the next step is to select the one you want. All right, so for me, I'll just scroll down and then select this. Just selecting it to be redirected to another page entirely. Now on this page, you'd see more details about the products that you want to get. So the next step is to move to the right side of the screen, scroll down and then click on add to bag. So you have to select the size you want. Okay, you can't just select any kind. After selecting it, you'd wait for it to be added to the bag. So after it has been added to the bag, you have a choice to continue shopping or you can just click on view bag if you want to complete your order. Okay, once you click on view back, that means that you are ready to order that particular product that you've gotten on the Iconic. But if you're not ready to order it yet, you can just continue shopping and then you can click on view back later. So once you're on the checkout page, you can see product, then you can increase the quantity. Okay, you can click the quantity, you can change the size here if you want, and then you wait for other pages to load. Now you can also select the delivery position. Now if you have a gift card, ensure you apply it here. Then once this is done loading, scroll down and click on place your order. So like I said, once the deliver to section is loaded, just click on place your order and then the order will be placed and then you'll be directed to the page where you'll be asked to make payments. Okay, all right, and then go ahead, make your payment and wait for a while. It might take 2 to 5 days before you get your product, but eventually you would get your product. So this is how you can make an order on the Iconic. Very, very straightforward, very, very easy. Ensure you try this out. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good time shopping on the Iconic.